Hey everyone, Mr. Janu here. Now, today I'm going to talk to you about how to edit your blog. Well, we set up our blogs and we're blogging in class, and now you may have to edit it. Now, here is the critical thing. You need to check your email. Whenever somebody comments on your blog, you get an email sent to you to tell you that there was a comment left, especially a comment from your teacher. That's right. I comment on your blogs, and perhaps your other teachers do as well. And that is really the only way that you'll know that a comment was made. I put comments there as to how good the blog post was and if you need to fix anything. And so if you need to fix something, you'll need to know. So always check your email. So let's take a look at how you go about editing your blog post. You don't have to reset up your blog every time you post, okay? You just go into Blogger, put in your password, and what you're going to get is a list of your blogs. Now, there's mine, Bruce's Musings on History. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to take me to the blog here. And this is the dashboard, and so over here on the left, again, is everything that you have there, including your posts. So I click on posts, and I have one post, and the post is What is History? Now, I want to check to see if there is a comment because I didn't check my email. If I did, oh, I hit view, and there's my post. Beautiful little musing on history. But oh wait, look at that, there's one comment by me. It says, hey, nice job, me, however you forgot to add a picture. Once you do that, you'll get credit. Email me once you are done so I can make sure you get credit. Alright, so what I have to do is go back to my dashboard. I'm going to close out of that. And underneath the title, where it says, What is History, I'm going to hit Edit. All right, now it's going to load things up. Now, there is my blog, everything that I wrote. Now, what I have to do is add a picture, and I'm going to go through that process again. Adding a picture in Blogger using a browser can be a little bit of a pain. So what I'm going to do is open up another tab. There we go. I'm going to go to Google, but I'm just going to put in Mona Lisa because I want a picture of Mona Lisa to add to my blog. All right, I'm going to hit Images, and here are some pictures. Let's see. And I'm going to go with this one. How's that? Okay, good. That's a pretty good picture. So now what I've got to do is view image. I'm going to hit view image. And there it is. Now I've got to go up to the top here, and I have to select all. I'm hitting the address bar because what I need to do is copy that website address, the URL as it's called. After I copy it, I'm going to close out, go here now to my blog post. I'm going to click down here at the bottom. I'm going to hit return a couple of times because there is where I want to add my picture. So up here is the image button. So what I'm going to do is click on that. And I really don't have anything from the blog. I have to hit, because I'm using the iPad, unfortunately, I have to pick from a URL. And so I'm going to go to paste an image here. I'm going to hold down. Sometimes, and then the paste button comes up. I'm going to hit paste. And that, oh, there's Mona Lisa. There she is. And I'm going to hit add selected. And there she is now in my blog. All right, now all that I have to do is hit update. And now my blog is updated. If I want to see it, all I have to do is go over to the post there where it says view. I'm going to hit view. And wouldn't you know it, there it comes up. And now I have my image. However, that is not quite enough. And let me tell you why. Your teacher isn't going to know that you made any changes unless you tell your teacher, i.e. me, that you made changes to your blog. So what you have to do is email me your blog. Now, it's really, really easy. We'll go back into my blog post. If you'll notice, when you go down to the bottom here, you have all of these icons down here on the bottom. All of these icons are share buttons. You can share via email. That's what the M there is. You could also tweet it out. You could use Facebook, Pinterest, put it on Google+. I don't know anyone who uses Google+, but what you're going to do to make sure that your teacher gets it is you're going to go over here and you're going to hit the M icon. And once you do, it says email post to a friend. So what you have to do in the friend's email address, you have to put your teacher's email. Now, you may have them in your contacts. If you do, that's fine. If not, it's really easy. bruce.janu@d214.org. There we go. Now, in order to make sure that Google knows you're not a robot, you have to click this button that says I'm not a robot. You can even add a message here. Here's my fixed blog post. Me. Okay, and then all I have to do is send email. And there you go. You could go back to your blog at that point, and that is what it looks like. So it is really easy to update your blog, and some of you are going to have to do that. You know, you may have forgotten something to add, and as long as you check your email and you keep up to date, and you read the comments, you will know what you need to do. And as soon as your teacher gets that email and checks the blog, then your grade will be adjusted. Now, there are other ways to add images as well. Next time, I'm going to talk to you about the Blogger app. You could download an app and you could go right into your website, your blog, and you can make changes. And the Blogger app does allow you to add pictures from your camera roll. So next time we'll talk about that. Well, talk to you later. Happy blogging.